guys. Pupunta kami Zamzam. Maraming Zamzam. Zamzam. Guys, kakain kami Zamzam. With beautiful girl. Kami ngayon guys. Oh. Hi, Bas. Chicken Mandy. Try tayo Arabic food guys. Order ni Bas ko. Hi, madam. Chicken, what is this?
Masbi? Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Okay. One chicken maddi. Okay.
And then
Kunafa. This one. But what are this?
Kunafa cream.
Okay.
And then I have kunafa Nutella, I have kunafa mango, I have kunafa rice.
what is the best?
There's ice cream also.
Kunafa mango.
Kunapa mango.
Kunafa mango. Okay,
Really?
try kunafa.
What is it? Is not good. We can return.
No.
Just, I'm just kidding. Okay.
We'll try mango.
Mango.
Okay. And this one, Zamzam coffee. This is avocado, right?
Mix.
Okay. Is it good? Is it good? This one?
Avocado, like mango or banana.
This is like drink or dessert? I
No,
think
it's
it's drink.
just normal.
Yeah. I want this.
Okay, one
Only one and
kunafa.
Maggi and kunafa mango.
All together?
All together. Just leave it here.
Unang banat ka. Natikim sa sabaw par. Parang chicken curry. Nasaan chicken curry? Same sa chicken curry. Parang siyang chicken curry. Guys, lasang curry. With my boss. Boss. Grabe yung boss ko. Jeez. Unang banat. Kunapa. Mango kunapa. Tikman natin guys. Siyempre, lagyan natin ng mangga. Diba? First bite. Sarap lang. Hindi ah. Inano ko lang yung ano. Sarap. Inamba. Si madam naman yung tatry. Thank you Lord. Sarap na. That's free?
It's
Oh really? I want to try it. Guys, may libre pa tayong tea. Ano to? Para saan to? Tissue. Yung guys, may free pa tayo. Yung guys, try natin yung tea na binigay. Chai. Sarap. Gagsin, sarap. Yung chai na gusto ko. Walang sugar. Bigyan mo sa akin. Sarap. Chai. Sarap. Mandy. With my boss. Ano pa ba inaantay natin? Simulan na. Finish guys. Ubus. Bigyan tayo ng free. Ano tawag dito lang? Lokaimat. Tapos meron pa tayo kunapa. Dessert naman tayo. Muna tayo bago dessert. Kunapa guys. Wow. Thank you, madam.
What's your name? Etiquette. 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 Yes. You are from Ethiopia.
Pa naman kayo. Tapos na tayo guys sa kunapa. Tatlo na lang tayo. Gusto ko na to.
Sabi sulit yung bayan.
Taog sa samsam pa.